The St. Catherine Municipal Corporation is urgently calling for greater enforcement in how motor vehicle crashes are documented by the police, especially when there's damage to government property. It comes as councillors lament the challenge of the corporation having to foot the bills when government infrastructure are damaged during motor vehicle crashes.
This bridge in Central Village, St. Catherine, is a prime example of the years of neglect to infrastructure across the parish after motor vehicle accidents. Mayor of Spanish Town, Norman Scott, says a truck damaged the bridge 16 years ago.
They hit that bridge down. I went there the night. I saw what happened. And to date, you pass and you see that bridge is still there, where the damage has not been repaired.
His comments came after Council for the Independent City Division, Courtney Edwards, raised concerns about the frequent motor vehicle crashes in the parish that have been damaging government infrastructure.
And would have damaged, for example, a guardrail, and the police come on site, and all that is done is an account of the damage, so the vehicle is done and report to the insurance companies. All the payouts will go to the vehicle accident itself and those who are probably traveling in the vehicle. And Chairman, the infrastructure is left there unattended to for months, years, and of course, we are looked forward to as councillors to actually repair or replace these infrastructure.
Mr. Edwards said the police should start enforcing the legislation and ensure that they account for the damage in infrastructure in their reports so that the insurance companies can make the necessary payments.
Which of course will offset the parish council's fund that we have here, right? So in a nutshell, Chairman, it is to seek further support in maintaining what we already have, and more so to ensure that persons treat infrastructure with care.
There is provision in law to accommodate all that you have on that resolution. And I just say this, it's a matter of the enforcement.
Mr. Scott stressed that there is a department at the National Works Agency that handles such matters. However, the corporation was informed that the NWA is not the problem.
One of the challenges NWA and other agencies have is that when there's an accident, it is not captured in the police report. So once you approach the insurance company, there is nothing to show to them that there was an accident and this was damage. Yeah. So that's the main issue.